How to trade on forex.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to trade on forex.com. So in order to trade on forex.com, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you have to begin by creating your account, and after you're done creating your account, then log in into your account. Once done, you need to decide what you actually want to go with your pay to trade. Then select the trade that you wish to go with or the asset that you wish to go with. So for that, you have to click on Market 360 from the top right. And right on this page, you can go ahead and place your buy order. In order to place an order, you have to go ahead and select the green buy button. That's going to open up the deal ticket. And after that, then and lastly, you need to decide on when to close your trade. So you can just go ahead and enter in your order type, your price and all that. And then you've successfully traded on forex.com. So that is how you can trade on forex.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.